Here you go, guys. I got a soccer mom favorite, a 2022 Hyundai Palisade. I'm going to show you how to reset the service interval. So when I turn the vehicle off and I turn it back on, it has this warning right here, service required. So I'm going to show you how to reset that. Usually you do this after an oil change. So we use this right here. Go over to settings, scroll down, service interval, press enter. It's enabled right now. Sometimes it's not enabled. You can adjust it right here. I'm not going to adjust it. I'm going to go to reset, and again, to press enter, you press down on this and then up, down. So we're going to go to reset distance and time, and now it's reset to 75,000 miles or 1 year. We're going to turn it on again, and that message should be gone. Yep. So we're good to go. Thanks for watching.